Okay, so today we're going to show you how to put the Strainrite Procrimp head onto the Infarco power unit. So first thing you want to do is remove the cover off the front here. Just 2 screws. In the kit you'll be supplied 2 shorter screws, which will need to be used when putting the maxi guard in place. It replaces the front cover. So you take the shorter screws and the holes. Like so. Next, flip it over. There's another small guard here. Get your fingernail under there, pop it off. I'll use that again in a minute. Drop the 2 Torx head screws out. And we place the Strainrite Procrimp head in place. The gears should mesh quite easily. Flip it over so you can see the holes lining up. Drop the screw in, use the Allen key provided. Just lightly nip the first one in, as you may need to wriggle the head around to line up the second screw hole. Second screw in place, and then give them both a tighten. Then replace the guard you took off earlier, and again it just clips in place like so. And there you have it, it's ready to go.